goodness, it's beautiful. Ah. Ooh, dear, that was a bad way to start this video. Ugh. Anyways, what's up guys? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel and Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, happy whatever it is you're celebrating. And today, to get you in the spirit, we're doing some decorating. You guys know I freaking love decorating. It's just another excuse to add more glitter to your house. Of course I love it. I thought I would just do a nice little house tour for you and show you my Christmas themed apartment winter wonderland. So here we go. Bippity boppity boop. May the Christmasing begin. That did not rhyme, but whatever. The lighting outside my apartment is so bad, but this is my hallway carpet. We love it. And ta-da! I decided to put these out front this year. Oh my goodness, look how freaking cute that is. And now to the winter wonderland. Da-na-na-na. Nail roll, please. First of all, while we're here, might as well do my outfit of the day. I'm wearing a bathrobe, but I actually lost the tie to it, which is really sad, which is why I am wearing a pink satin thingy. Anything's couture if you make it couture though. So voila, we're ready for the red carpet. Okay, no, but we are ready for the tour. So I guess we'll start with this mirror. So my theme for my apartment is very white and gold themed. So of course all my Christmas decorations reflect that. So this is my giant lookbook mirror and I went ahead and decorated it. Oh my goodness, look at how beautiful this is. This is like tinsel. I bought this at Michael's and then I went ahead and added in the little ornament roll thingamajigger and then I just draped it over the top like that. So that's super pretty. I just thought it made it look extra festive. So then over here, well, hello, madame, I shall introduce you. Love these angel statues that I have in my bedroom. So I got another one. So I always have a place to put my keys, though my keys are not here. I don't know where they are. And being responsible is hard. I don't know. I'll find those eventually. I got this super cute little winter wonderland painting. Look at how beautiful that is. This just makes me feel very peaceful when I look at it. Not to mention, look at this. Oh, it lights up! How cute is that? Over on this mirror, yes, we have lots of mirrors in my house because the more the merrier, I used that joke in a video before, but it's really funny still to me. So, yeah, we have this. Then I went ahead and exchanged the normal flowers that I have over here for these beautiful little poinsettia flowers that I got at Michael's. And look at these. You can see the vases are actually little like antique cherub vases. Little angels. So cute. You guys saw me buy this in my Canada shopping vlog, but it's finally out on display now. It's a pretty little angel snow globe. Love that. Here we have this funky little golden nutcracker man. So there we go. So that's that. Nice little arrangement here. I should really take a selfie here because it's very festive and cute, but I'll do that later. Ta-da! The bathroom! Okay, so here, I didn't really do too much in here, but you know, here's a couple of little things that I did. I did lay out some nice little golden angel thingies. I do have these cute little holiday towels, which is nice. Then some leftover glittery thingies that I just put out with, again, some more little angels. Cute. So yeah, it's not like particularly Christmassy in here, but it's very Christmassy outside. So we'll go out there. Dun dun dun. Walk down here, cute, cute. Hello, it's like a funhouse mirror. Okay, so ta-da! Here we have my little bar setup area, but I went ahead and Christmasified it. You guys know I don't really drink, but I do have a bunch of aesthetic bottles because I just love them. So we have those out. I have this nice little Christmassy bow, some little whatever this is, another little crystally angel because I just thought they were cute. This looks really creepy on here, but it's cute in person, I swear. So we have some more little angels. I always have this out. I always have this out. I went ahead and added in the more flowers, some pine cones just for fun. This is super cute. Again, I went ahead and added the bow here, some nice little things. This is super fun. Look at this. This is actually a Christmas ornament, but I just thought it was cute and belonged on the bar, so I put it here instead. So cute. Here is my favorite little section. Okay, so I have some more flowers. I got this in Dubai. I love this little thing. This was the little random ornament that I also just bought because it sparked a lot of joy. The 24 karat water and these that I bought in Paris. These are vintage little Swarovski figurines. I just thought the train is like maybe the cutest thing I've ever seen in my entire lifetime. And of course we have a harp and a record player. Choo choo. I love these so much. So that's kind of my Christmassy little bar area. And now the super fun part. George. Hi, honey. Oh, bless you. We're all sneezing today. Are you ready for the big reveal? Wall here thing. This is one of my favorite walls in my house. It's also one of the only giant walls, but you know, we love it anyway. So I always usually have regular flowers here, but I went ahead and put these pretty sparkly ones. I just like got some bouquets. Again, these are the same flowers that I bought at Michael's and put those down. Then of course, ooh, these are actually also giant ornaments, but I cut the hooks off them. So now they just look like figurines, but we have another harp and a violin. I just really love music and I think they're very beautiful. And now this mirror. It's so beautiful, I'm gonna scream. But yes, you can see, this is the little mirror that I DIY'd. These are just little thingies that I bought at Michael's. I went ahead and attached them to the mirror there, so they made a nice little decor on that. What the heck do you put on top of a swan table? Well, more animals! I thought these were just so cute. These reindeer were like made for my house. They're gold with little scrolly thingies. Oh, wow, so majestic. I love them. They're like little friends. Hi. Again, I always have roses in here, but I went ahead and swapped them out again with the sparkly poinsettia flowers for the Christmas season. So pretty. This is such an aesthetic. Dun dun dun. Okay, so we all know I don't love cooking, but this is my kitchen, so I decorated this side of it here. Mom gave me these. They're like cute little glittery birds, so I have those on display and all the little babies, and then these fabulous little angel thingamajigger bobbers. I also have them on this side, the same thing. These are just so cute. I got these downtown and was like obsessed with them. So that's a nice little happy family. So pretty, so pretty, so pretty. Okay, so I guess we'll do the tree. Ta-da! Rocking around the Christmas tree. Woo! I just wanted to open it like that. Okay, so the tree. I know it sounds kind of silly, but one of my biggest dreams of my life was always to have a white Christmas tree, and my parents always said no. So the second I was able to buy a white tree, I got one. Actually really funny, before I even had any furniture, I had a white Christmas tree fully set up in the corner of my apartment. So, you know, priorities. But yes, this is my beautiful white Christmas tree. Oh my God, she's stunning. I have a white flocked pre-lit tree. It's, I think, like 8 feet tall, a really nice tree. So I went ahead and decorated it with gold ribbon. You can see I just literally like wrapped that all the way around the tree, kind of like rogue. There's no real actual design. I just kind of did it. But these, again, are those same flowers that I have literally all over the house everywhere. It's literally just, like I said, it's a bouquet of flowers that I just kind of shoved in there. Pretty cool idea. I got all of the ornaments at Michael's. They're all gold, different shades of gold, glittery gold, whatever shade of gold that is. Big ones, some small ones, some large ones, some tall ones. Ornament Dr. Seuss. Hello. Ooh, this is fun. Hello. Happy holidays. Make sure you like and subscribe this video. Okay. Usually I put a bow on top of the tree, but I just realized I guess I forgot to do that, so I'll do that later. But that is my white tree. At the bottom here, yeah, okay, so I bought this tree skirt last year. It doesn't actually fit the tree, but I really, really love it, so I use it anyway, whatever. Then these are all the presents under the tree. Plot twist, these are actually not real presents. There's nothing in them, I just wrapped them for the aesthetics. But it makes it look like Christmas morning's gonna be fun. Literally just boxes I bought from the 99-cent store and then wrapped and made some pretty bows. So that's beautimous, we love it. And of course, the king of the tree, Barry Styles. Literally one of my favorite things I ever bought. So that is our tree. Then of course, my piano. I told myself I was gonna learn how to play the piano this year, but lo and behold, of course, I did teach myself one song and then I like kind of forgot how to play it. So I need to jog my memory, but oh, I forgot to turn the piano on. That was not very dramatic, but you get the point. So this is a really pretty little like gold sleigh thingy. I don't even remember where I got this, but I just thought that was lovely. Also threw some little like golden poinsettias in there for some fun. Added another little guy on that end, so he's very, very pretty. This is definitely gonna be the Instagram that I post. Outside, I am the proud owner of the world's most beautiful balcony. I am convinced of it. So I went ahead and I always put little icicle lights out there just to make it extra gorgeous. I've been looking at this view every night since I moved in, and let me tell you, it gets prettier every night, I tell you. It never gets old. Okay, so what did we do over here? Basically, lovely. Again, I always have flowers over here anyway, but these are those same flowers again with some nice little golden pine cones and a candle. And to match, I set this up here. This is that same glittery garland that I used, but then I also have this really pretty white wreath. Ooh, lovely. I just thought that made that look kind of festive and fun, so we got that up there. Here, I usually have black round pillows, but now I have these little cherub pillow thingies. Aren't these cute? I got these on Poshmark. I love them. And then I have these super cool vintage looking needlepoint pillows. Pretty. I have one Santa one and one Nutcracker one. So they live there, making the Christmas spirit bright. And over here we have Henry, who I was gonna put in a Santa hat, but then it just looked stupid. So instead we just gave him some nice fancy holiday balls. But seriously. Honestly, I just saw these at Michael's and really wanted to buy them and had nowhere else to put them. So I kind of made this like a little weird stand for Henry to stand on. Oh, this is such a beautiful view. Okay, so I love my fireplace. Fireplaces are very Christmassy, so turned that on here. This is actually an electric fireplace. I don't know if I've ever showed you guys this. So yeah, that's not even real fire, so we love a nice daredevil moment. But I did set up this nice little candle arrangement here. So I have those candles again, and I put them in little, like, I don't even know what this is, but I got a bunch of them off Etsy, so I went ahead and decorated those. I just kind of set that up. Like, you can see this is just like a little thingamajigger, so I just kind of, you know, put that there and called it a day. Looks good. I also have these fancy little Christmas holders. Again, gold angels. We love angels. I love gold. Da da da. It's my favorite thing, in case you can't tell. It's cool because you can also see the wreath in the background, so it's like a very festive little moment. On the patio, not really much is going on here at all, except for this. I switch out my flowers to be those same Christmassy poinsettias, so those are extra lovely, lovely, and hung some bells on the lamp. Nice. Again, those angels are here year-round, so not technically Christmassy, though they are very in the spirit. Let's see if we come off there. Oh, there's one more thing I want to show you. Okay, so my bedroom is literally a mess, but I did on my doorknob to my bedroom hang some nice little gold bells. And bedroom is literally a mess, so I'm actually gonna like not really show it, but in my Thanksgiving decorating video, I bought this. So I painted the bottom of it to be gold, and isn't that just like the cutest little thing? Like, how good does that match the curtains? It's ridiculous. So cute. Alrighty, back outside. And that, my friends, is my Christmas house tour. Thank you, and good night. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you loved the little tour. As always, I love you guys. Kisses till next time. From me and my Christmas decor to you. XO. All I want for Christmas is you. Oh, what an angel. This is gonna be our Christmas card, George. Smile big.